This is fit for a 2015 through 2018 and likely beyond Lexus NX 300H with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule AeroBlade Edge base roof rack system. The system is using the AeroBlade load bars in black with integrated feet. This is part number 7602B. This front bar offers 34.5 inches of usable space between the feet. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof in this position, which is 15 inches from the end of the flush side rail. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 31 inches from front to rear, center to center. The rear AeroBlade Edge bar is part number 7601B. It offers 31.25 inches of usable space between the feet. These bars connect to the flush side rails using part number KIT 4060. This kit includes the rubber bases and the rubberized metal brackets which grip to the edges of the flush rail. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Visit our site for complete details, pricing, and our promotions.